Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to delve into the top 4 UK 1 shilling coins from the years 1954, 1960, 1953, and 1962. We'll be taking a closer look at their historical significance and their values at recent heritage auctions. Starting off with the 1954 1 shilling coin. This coin holds a special place in numismatic history. Minted during a time of post-war recovery, these coins reflect the changing times. At a recent heritage auction, the 1954 1 shilling coin fetched an impressive value of $70,000 due to its scarcity and the historical context it represents. Moving on to the 1961 shilling coin, this piece encapsulates the spirit of the 1960s. With the world undergoing social and cultural transformations, these coins bear witness to the era. Interestingly, the 1961 shilling coin garnered attention at a heritage auction. Commanding a value of $50,000, collectors are drawn to its nostalgia and limited availability. Now, let's discuss the 1953 1 shilling coin. This particular coin carries a sense of regality, as it was minted to commemorate the coronation of Queen Elizabeth II. It holds a place in the hearts of collectors and history enthusiasts alike. Recent activity at heritage auctions saw the 1953 1 shilling coin achieve a remarkable value of $100,000, owing to its historical importance and the demand from collectors. Last but certainly not least, the 1962 1 shilling coin rounds up our list. This coin, minted in the early 1960s, represents an era of technological advancements and changing values. At a recent heritage auction, the 1962 1 shilling coin surprised many by reaching a value of $40,000. Its unique combination of historical context and scarcity has made it a sought-after piece. To gain a deeper understanding, we reached out to numismatic expert coins dealers. According to coins dealers, these 1 shilling coins are not just pieces of currency. They're windows into our past. Their value extends beyond their metal content, encompassing historical significance, scarcity, and collector demand. Heritage auction results: collectors are willing to pay a premium to own a piece of these coins' history. If you're fortunate enough to come across one of these coins, remember that it's not just a coin, but a connection to the past.